Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have a 1/24 scaled Ford Police Interceptor Sedan, otherwise known as a Ford Taurus. This model was made for Black Knight Patrol, which is a security company located in California. I'll put some links down in the description below so you guys can check them out. They have some pretty nice security uniforms and cars and stuff like that. Overall, their equipment's really good. And today we're going to be looking at a model of their Ford Taurus. So as you can see, here are the decals on the side of the model. Pretty nice decals. And then there's the top. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. There you go. And the side's obviously the same as the other. And there's the front. There's a Weston push bar decal in the middle of the top bar. And there's the front license plate. Alright, so two unique things about this model is that it has a custom 3D printed push bar and a black custom paint job, which was done by Mesa on Instagram. I'll go ahead and link his link below in the description too. And let's go ahead and check out the lighting system. So there are two switches on this model. As you can see right there, the white switch turns on all the emergency lights, and the rectangular button over here switches the patterns of all the lights. We're not going to look at all the patterns just because it's not realistic to the model, but we can just go ahead and check out the first pattern, which is what the real car looks like. So as you can see here on the side, there is a light in both of the front fenders. There's one on this side and one on the other. Then from a front view, there are two push bar LEDs on the top bar, two side view mirror lights, an interior front visor light bar, and flashing headlights. And the push bar does have lights on the side as well, and they're angled just like they are on the real car. And that's it for the front. And then here is the back. There is an interior emergency flashing traffic advisor, reverse lights, and tail lights that both flash. So yeah, that's all of the lighting that this model has. So we can go ahead and check out this model in the dark, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the model. As you can see, and as always, all the lights are really bright, and they look really good at night or in the dark. So here it is. And again, if you guys ever want to answer from me about a question about pricing, feel free to email me or DM me on Facebook or Instagram. I'll be happy to help you guys out. So here's the back. I really like the tail light, or the reverse light strobes in the reverse lights. And there we have it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave some comments down in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. If you have questions about an order, feel free to send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram, and my name on both channels is AG Customs, and you'll see my same logo on there as well. And if you want, you can email me as well at official.agcustoms@gmail.com, and I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day.